Salvete omnes. This is Abbey Latin, Liber Primus, Chapter 2, Exercise A. You should attempt this exercise after you have watched the video on the morphology of Latin nouns of the first declension. As a warm-up, let us go ahead and decline again Agricola I masculine farmer, walking through step by step how to decline this noun. So first off, you need to know the dictionary entry, which is Agricola I masculine farmer. This is the nominative singular, Agricola. This is the genitive singular ending, A-E pronounced I. This is the noun's gender, which is masculine. And this is the English definition, farmer. So this is the nominative singular. It goes in the nominative singular blank. This is the ending for the genitive singular, A-E pronounced I. It goes in the genitive singular blank. So Agricolae. Now, though the nominative is cool, Agricola, the genitive is where the party's at, Agricolae. So we can tell by this ending, first off, where the base or the stem of the noun is, the unchanging part of the noun, and also what declension the noun is. So chop off this A-E pronounced I and you get the noun stem, the unchanging part of the noun. Go ahead and write that stem in for the rest of the blanks. And because we know that this genitive singular is A-E pronounced I, we know this noun must be a first declension noun and must have first declension endings, which are I, I, arum, is, as, is. Moving on to aqua, I, feminine, water. So this is the dictionary entry. This is the nominative singular aqua, goes in that blank. This is the genitive singular, goes in that blank, aquae. Chop off the A-E pronounced I and you get the stem aqua. U always follows Q. Write this stem in the rest of the blanks, and then, because we know that this is a first declension noun based upon its genitive singular ending of A-E pronounced I, add first declension endings. I, arum, is, as, is. Optime. All right, not so difficult, huh? Let's keep going. The next noun is Britannia, I, feminine, Britain. And I've included a map here, so here's Britannia. Notice that there is no plural of Britannia. There's only one Britain, so the nominative is Britannia. The genitive would be Britanniae. The dative is Britanniae, then Britanniam, then Britannia, with the macron over the final A. Now moving on to epistula, I, feminine, letter or epistle. It's a letter that you mail. So the nominative is epistula, the genitive is epistulae, the stem is epistul, and then add first declension endings to this noun. Epistulae, epistulam, epistula, epistulae, epistularum, epistolis, epistolas, epistolis. Moving on to femina, I, feminine, woman. The nominative is femina. The genitive is feminae. And the dative will be feminae, then feminam, then femina, feminae, feminarum, feminis, feminas, feminis. Gallia, I, feminine, Gaul, which modern-day France, covered about this area. Once again, it's a place name, proper noun, does not have a plural. So Gallia, Galliae, Galliae, Galliam, Gallia, with the macron over the final A. Geographia, I, feminine, geography, which is Greek for earth sketching. So geographia, geographiae, geographiae, geographiam, geographia. geographiae, geographiarum, geographiis, geographias, geographiis. Germania, I feminine, Germany. Once again, no plural. Germania, there's the Rhine. That was the border, the Roman Empire and Germania. The Romans did not foray much into Germania because it was full of Germani. So Germania, Germaniae, Germaniae, Germaniam, Germania. Hispania, I feminine, Spain, right here. So Hispania, Hispaniae, Hispaniae, Hispaniam, Hispania. In insula, I feminine, island, like Corsica, Sardinia, Sicilia, Sicily. So insula, insulae, insulae, insulam, insula, insulae, insularum, insulis, insulas, insulis. Italia, I feminine, Italy, the peninsula right here. So the nominative is Italia, the genitive is Italiae, and so the dative will be Italiae, then Italiam, then Italia. All right, pause here at memoria, I feminine, memory. So the nominative will be memoria, the genitive will be memoriae, and then when you chop that AE pronounced I ending off, you get the stem memori. Notice the stem ends in an I. Write that stem for the rest of the blanks. And then we add first declension endings because this is a first declension noun. And we can tell that by the AE pronounced I in the genitive singular. So I, arum, check this out, is, as, and then is. Notice that we have a double I in the dative and ablative plural, memoriis. So memoria, memoriae, memoriae, memoriam, memoria, memoriae, memoriarum, memoris, memorias, memoris. So you will have a double I if the stem ends in an I. Natura, I feminine, nature, and it goes natura, naturae, naturae, naturam, natura, naturae, naturarum, naturis, naturas, naturis. Patria, I feminine, homeland, native land, literally means your pater, your father's land. So patria, patriae, patriae, patriam, patria, patriae, patriarum, patriis, patrias, patris. You will have that double I there because the stem ends in an I, patri, when you chop the AE pronounced I ending off the genitive singular. Poeta, I masculine, poet. So poeta, poetae, poetae, poetam, poeta, poetae, poetarum, poetis, poetas, poetis. Provincia, I feminine, province, client state, a state that it has been vinctio, has been bound in fetters or chains, is somehow chained to Rome. So provincia, provinciae, provinciae, provinciam, provincia, provinciae, provinciarum, provinciis, provincias, provinciis. Puella, I feminine, girl. Puella, puellae, puellae, puellam, puella, puellae, puellarum, puellis, puellas, puellis. Silva, I feminine, forest or woods, like Transylvania, Pennsylvania. So we have silva, silvae, silvae, silvam, silva, silvae, silvarum, silvis, silvas, silvis. We have terra, I, feminine, land or earth. Terra, terrae, terrae, terram, terra, terrae, terrarum, terris, terras, terris. And finally, we have via, I, feminine, road, street, or way. So we have via, vi. Notice that when we chop that ae ending off, we're going to get the stem vi, vi. So the dative and ablative plural will have a double I because the endings are is. So to start over, via, vi, vi, viam, via, vi, viarum, viis, vias, viis. Optime. Very nice. Make sure you know those very well. I, arum, is, as, is. Make sure you're very fluent with those endings. You will need to know them very well. Excellent. Good work. Optime. You are now ready to watch the video on syntax of the nominative case.